Hi, this is unboxing of the new GeForce RTX 4060 from MSI. It's come like this from Amazon, and it's got stickers on, which I actually can't really get off without damaging the box. About this. Now that looks disgusting. I can't get it off because it's so sticky. Might come off with some isopropyl alcohol, but I don't know. Let's see if we can get this one off. This is Amazon garbage. And this might not be Amazon garbage, this might be actually factory one. But I don't like stickers on top of my product, so you can't even see it. What if I wanted to keep this one day and I have to live with this garbage? Okay. As you can see, no factory seal, nothing. Okay, this is an unboxing. Let's see, get this out. It's very tight packaging. Finally. Let's have a look at this RTX 4060. Let's see if it's already been opened or not. It looks alright. Yes. Let's see. This is one. It's quite light. It's lighter than my GTX 1060. Very light. Here's my European Union regulatory notices and my MSI graphics card quick start guide. Well, everybody knows you just plug and play, unscrew, plug, screw back and play. There's nothing much. Okay, this has got a part seal. Okay, part of that seal is off, so I'm thinking, has it been? Yes, it has. It has been opened by somebody, and I will tell if there's any fingerprints on this. I will tell if there's any fingerprints on this. Opened by Amazon drivers or anyone. Let's see. Oh, can you see that? There's a lot of garbage on that. That's not factory garbage. That is someone messing about with it. Let's see what we've got here. That has a lot of scuff marks all over it, especially on a sticker that's supposed to protect it from dust. Let's see. Let's have a look. Has this item ever been used? Now let's see if there's any dust in there. We can tell if a product's being used. Any fingerprints? Just looking for anything that will give away that this product has been used before and then dispatched to a customer. Signs. Now I'm looking for fingerprints actually. I've just washed my hands. As you can see, nothing sticky, so I can distinguish between a new product and a used product. Let's see what we got. Yes, what really concerns me is if they ship it, you know, your new product with a seal on it like this, why would there be scuff marks? Have they been like throwing this all about all over the place and then opening it and then testing and giving it to a customer? What's going on here? Why there's so many scuff marks on my card, my new card? Not really happy about that. Seeing these scuff marks on the packaging, well, the actual protector. Let's see if we can find any dust or any fingerprints. Not at the moment, no. This is an 8GB card, by the way. It's a card that they're saying is the most hated card by all gamers because they've reduced the memory size. I totally agree with you. Nobody likes reduced game performance or anything like that. I'm not a game tester. I don't test graphic cards. I don't test their frame rates. I won't go around testing their frame rates. I just look at the product. I see what the product is. If it can do what I want it to do, I'll just buy it. You know what I'm saying? I'm not a gamer. I don't heavily buy games. I have games, but I don't play games like other people. If I play a game, it'll be like once a month or once every 6 months. I'm not into. I'm more of a desktop, YouTuber, and that's it. So let's see if we got anything that gives away that this product has been used before. Anything. No, nothing at the moment. So the next step is to actually unbox. Well, take off the stickers actually. Let's see if I can do it with. See if I can do it with. Let's see if I can do it. Let's do the back panel first. You see the back panel is already loose. It looks like somebody took it off, put it back on, repackaged it, put it back on Amazon. I clicked on buy, I received it, and I'm ready to unbox. You can tell. Amazon repackaging. Okay, anyway, let's take off the sticker. Enough of the dialogue. Let's get to the basics. Wow. Wow. I don't know what to say, but it feels cheap and plasticky. I don't know, it feels like a toy actually. The quality. You know what I'm saying? Okay, let's take off the top bit. Well, guess what? You know what they say, the price you pay is what you get. Now, this is actually one of the cheapest cards I found this December, January 2024, 2025. And what is that? Scuff marks? What is that? Well, I'm going to test it anyway. If it doesn't do what I want it to do, send it back. This is the MSI GeForce RTX 4060 8GB version. 8GB. There's the 4 ports. I will be using all the ports. I remember years ago these ports used to be like red color, but I don't know. Okay. 1 HDMI, 3 display ports. Sorry for me because I've got like 4 monitors set up for my gaming experience. That's the side. A bit of dust on there. Okay, let's see inside. Can we see anything? Anything irrelevant? Anything? Let's see. Anything? Oh, we do see something. Scuff marks on the plastic. That is disgusting. For a new card to have scuff marks on the plastic. That's not a good sign. Scuff marks on the plastic. Alexa, fire TV off. Well, can't get rid of that. Scuff marks. I don't know if it's factory done or hand done by somebody, or if it's a used product, but it's the first time I've seen it under light. Factory damaged products. Now I know why they're selling these RTXs very cheap. Something's definitely wrong. I'm not doing a paid promotion. This is not affiliated market stuff. I'm doing my own review for my own card, which I bought today, which that's put me off, and I'm thinking I'll send this back for a refund, buy a different card from a different manufacturer. I might go for Asus. Really disappointed on my first unboxing of this GTX 4060 by MSI. Really disgusted. No factory seal on the box, and no Amazon sealing the box. You know. can only see it if you flip the card over. See that? You can only see that horrible when the card is flipped over. It's like there was some sort of a chemical leak inside. I don't know, somebody dropped something or something burned up in the factory. Somebody used it. Oh, we did find scuff marks on top of on the back of the packaging going across. There was some streaks. Yeah. This one's going back. Okay, thank you folks. That was unboxing of MSI RTX 4060, which is going back to Amazon for supplying me a good fucked up product to my doorstep. Wasted my money, wasted my time, wasted my inconvenience of me making this YouTube video for the customers, only to dissatisfaction. Would I recommend this product? If they can fix that, yes. If they can't, no. Thumbs down from me. This is my personal review. Don't buy if you have this problem. If that's not there, check it under a light and it's thumbs up. Keep it.